Hey my lovelies, I've ordered some makeup products from Notino and I wanna do a very quickly unboxing with you today. So I will take off all the products and I also have a product for hairstyling, but many of them are for makeup. Okay, let's start with this. I bought again this product for hairstyling. Like I said, I usually use this for the roots of the hair to make a very big volume. If you see the hairstyles that I do, you know what I mean. So I used it so often, I finished it, and because I liked it, I bought it again. This is from American Crew Variable Hold Finishing Spray, fixation variable. It has 250 milliliters, so it doesn't smell good. It actually smells like an alcohol, but it's a very good product, guys. It works very well, so I need it so much. The next product is this BB cream from Missha. You know that I love this product. I've ordered this so many times from Stylevana, where I usually buy Korean skincare products and hair care products, but because this product is only in two shades, I think 21 and 23, I needed this shade actually, which is 27. I'll show you how it looks. It's a shade for light to medium skin tones. It's a more bronzy shade. And you know what? I already used it so many times, and I can say that is a shade that I will always buy for my makeup kit. This foundation is so hydrating, guys. This foundation slash BB cream, because it has a good coverage, guys. It's so good, especially for dry skin and the very dry skin. It has a lot of skincare ingredients. It looks so good on the skin, especially for dry, normal, very dry skin and combination. As I said it before, I don't use this for me every day because it causes me acne. It has a lot of hydrating ingredients, and not only is not good for skin prone to acne, but for those type of skins that don't have this kind of problem, guys, it's so good. You can use it for every day or mix it with more products that are full coverage. I usually do this for my makeup artist kit because a lot of people have dehydrated skin, and this helps me so much. This is a makeup trick. I have this BB cream in 3 shades and I wanna do some swatches for you guys. This one is 21st, which is a very light shade, more for fair skin tones, but I can say that it's a little bit gray, but you know what? It adapts when you apply it on the skin. You see? If I blend it, it suits me, you see? The second is 23, which is a shade suitable for light skin with pink undertone. I don't know if the camera catch it, but it has a more pink undertone. If I blend it, you see it's a little bit darker than this. It doesn't suit me right now. I can say that for my makeup kit, I will always buy this shade 21st and 27 because I can mix them together and make the right shade, or use them separated. You can find 21st shade and 23 shade on Stylevana, where are a little bit cheaper, but this shade 27 you can find it on Notino, which is a little bit more expensive. And the third one is 27. As you see, so dark, more for bronzy skin, for light to medium skin tones. The next product, guys, is this long-lasting makeup setting spray all-nighter from Decay. I love this product so much. I always buy it because this is the secret for a more long-lasting makeup. Looks like this, and I always buy it in a big quantity. It has 118 milliliters. And you know what? I also bought it in a travel size. And if I need to take it in my makeup kit, I pour it in this small package, and it's easy to take with me, you know. And I usually use it for me or for the clients when I finish the makeup, to make the makeup more long lasting, and also to melt a little bit the powder, you know, because we use a lot of powder, especially on a professional makeup, especially if the client has an oily skin, they need more powder, you know, and to melt that amount of powder and to make the skin look more natural, we use this guy, you know. I just do like this. Let it dry a little, and as you see, the skin looks more natural. It's not so powdery. It also smells so good. It's perfect for summer because it's up to 60-hour wear. temperature control, is lightweight, keeps the skin cool and fresh, no makeup cracking or flaking, skin feels energized and moisturized, and controls shine. I absolutely agree, guys, it's a very good product. I also bought this lash adhesive from Duo. Strip lash adhesive looks like this, and I always buy it in white or clear, dries invisibly. When you apply it is white, and when it dries it becomes clear. You know what, guys, I always buy this kind of adhesive, and I bought it so many times from Boots. I usually buy this in this package because I think it's better than in this package. After using it so many times, it dries here, you know, and I can't take the product from this package, and I think it's better to buy it in this version because it looks like this and it's easier to take the product from here. But you know, guys, last time when I bought this, I noticed that this product isn't good. I don't know why. Even though I used it so many times and I bought it so many times, this time I think it doesn't dry and it doesn't stick very well the lashes. So even though this is full, I will throw it out, and I bought another one, and I was thinking if I will buy another one of this, it will be the same. So I took again this version. I already tried it. I don't know, I think lately this new duo adhesive is not as good as they have to be, you know, because I use this since I started with makeup and it really worked so well. But now I think the formula is different. It doesn't stick very well the lashes. It dries hard, and I can't say that it's good, you know. It's not bad, but I think it used to be better. Okay, the next product that I bought is this NYX Lift Snatch. I bought this for the first time. I saw this product in one of my makeup courses, and I wanted to try this because this one is for brows, and now I'm learning a new brow technique, so I needed this product. It looks like this, is more like a pen, and I bought it in shade ash brown. Let's see what brand says. It's a brow tint pen that has a micro brush tip for hair-like strokes. Okay, the swatch looks like this. As you see, this tip is so fine, so precise, and I like it because it can do this kind of strokes. I think on the camera this shade looks lighter, but in reality this is a quite darker shade, and I think I will buy it again in a more lighter shade because for me I can say that it's a little bit darker. I usually like to do my brows more lighter than my natural hair color because my length is blonde and because my hair from the brow is black. I usually like to make them more lighter with a shade like taupe or blonde, but this one, ash brown, is quite darker for me. It's more for darker hair, for people who has this kind of color, for brunettes, and I already used it, guys, so many times, and I can say that I love it. It draws very natural hair strokes, and you have very gently to press it in the brow like this, and as you see, it draws very natural hair strokes, especially if your brows are not full. I think it's a good product, guys, especially for this tip because it's so thin and so precise. It's so easy to use. I press very gently because if you press more, of course, it's more intense, you know, but if you press very gentle, it's like this. See? I bought so many pencils for the lips, and I also have one for the eyes, which is ivory, looks like this. This one is from Essence Inner Eye Brightening Pen, soft texture, and I bought it to use on the waterline, like here, to brighten the eye and to make it appear bigger, you know, if you have small eyes. A makeup tip for you is to use an ivory pen on the waterline if you want to make the eyes bigger. My eyes are bigger enough and they don't actually need this kind of pencil, but it looks good, you know. And also if you have this line red, It makes your eyes look more fresh, like you are more rested, you are not tired, you see? And all these liners are from NYX. I always buy these liners, guys, because they are so good. They have a lot of colors to choose from, and I especially like this color, this shade, which is Nude Truffle. I told you about this so many times. This is my favorite shade for every day, for a special occasion makeup, for everything, you know. This is the perfect contour shade if you want to make your lips bigger. Look. You see? It's perfect, it is perfect. I always like to contour my lips with this pencil, even though I usually apply only a lip balm or a gloss or a lipstick, you know, it doesn't matter. So I'll do some swatches for you. This one is Nude Truffle. I already used it so many times and I bought 3 of them because this shade is always sold out, and if you find it, buy more because you can't always find them. The second shades that I bought, Nude Beige, but let's open it first. And I hate this film, guys. I don't know how to open these liners. Sorry. Finally. I bought again the shade Nude Beige that looks like this. It looks so natural. It's a very nice shade. As you see, it's a little pinkish. I bought again the shade Natural, which I love. Looks like this. This one is so fresh. And I bought for the first time the shade Espresso and the shade Brown. Let's see how they look. This one is brown. I like it. That is not so dark. I think is perfect for light to medium and medium skin tones. And Espresso I think is for deep skin tones, which is so dark. Like Espresso. Yes, I think it will be perfect. And this was the unboxing, my lovelies. I hope you liked it and I hope it was useful for you. Have a lovely day. Bye!